Okay, now that I've completed my API, let's just test it. npm start, up and running on local. Okay, this is the important login, and I've entered the password incorrect because I don't want you to know my password. Just that. Incorrect password. There we go. Okay, it's time to deploy on Heroku. One more command and I'm done. Git push Heroku main. Okay. Now that I've uploaded, deployed, let me check if that works. What the hell is the problem? Not again. Hello guys, this is Smruti Ranjan, and in this video I'll help you solve the application error problem on your Heroku API deployment. So let's just get started. First of all, let me tell you what is the problem. I have developed an API which works just fine on locally, as you can see. Okay, let me show you once again. And this is the endpoint for login, and it says incorrect password, which is very right. And right now when I deployed it on Heroku, it says application error already, so it won't work in here. There we go. It isn't working, so let me check what is the problem. So in here, to know what is the problem, we can go to Heroku logs like this. It's gonna take a few seconds, and let me tell you, these errors are nothing, you can just ignore it. The main problem is in here. When our application tried to start using the npm start command, it ran node index.js, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. Then we received an error. What it is saying: cannot find module, cannot find this file from this file. So let me check if I have entered the file names and roots correctly. auth.js, controllers auth.js. Okay, the folder name is correct. The file name is also correct. So you can clearly see that this has nothing to do with your file names and all, but let me tell you, you are very wrong. You can check that like this: Heroku run bash. So the problem arises when you first deployed your application using a folder name, and then you changed it, and then again you deployed it, then that change is not being tracked. So this is what I mean. Let me show you. So look at here. At first, when I deployed the API to the Heroku, I accidentally used a capital C. So, and then when I using the lowercase c in the controllers folder, then it did not track, and it simply gives an error for that. Basically, you can fix this by both should match. So when I do this, and then if I put it again into the Heroku, git push Heroku main, it's gonna take forever. Let's just wait. By the way, you don't have to wait. I'll just skip this. So as you can see, the deployment is done. Now when I reload it, it will work just fine, because now the folder structure matches. Now when I send it, it works just fine. So that was it for this video. Hope you guys find this video useful, and if it did, then give a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Peace.